Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with WAEC 2017 Biology Past question 6. An example of osmosis is the keyword osmosis in plant is A. Movement of water through the xylem, B. Loss of water vapor from the stomata, C. Translocation of food through the phloem, and B. Absorption of water from the soil from the roots or by the roots. Now you ask yourself, what is osmosis? Now, osmosis refers to the movement of water molecules from a region of higher concentration from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration. Now, osmosis, like I said, is the movement of water molecules from a region where the concentration is low to the region where the concentration is high. Now, our options are listed above. Movement of water. A says movement of water through the xylem. B says loss of water vapor from the stomata. And C says translocation of food through the phloem, while D says absorption of water from the roots. Now our answer to this particular question is D, absorption of water of the soil from the roots. Now, like I said, osmosis is the movement of water molecules from a region of lower concentration. Now, mostly the plant itself, the concentration of the plant is higher than the concentration of the soil. So now, due to this fact, the water now moves through a semi-permeable membrane, which is the plant tissues, to the from the soil to the plant. Now, if the soil was a very salty, maybe the content of the soil is very salty, very salty, you notice that what the soil begins to absorb water from the plant, and then you notice that some plants begin to dry up. But due to the fact that the concentration of the soil is lower than the concentration of the plant, the water molecules in the soil will move to the water molecules of the plant. Now, this is osmosis. And for osmosis to occur, there must be a semi-permeable membrane. Now, in this case, it is the tissue of the plant, like I told you. So our answer is absorption of water of the soil from the roots. Now, this is an osmotic term. This is an osmotic process. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.